Good morning, students. I hope that you all have already noted down all the points which I had just sent yesterday to you. All that points are related to your very first chapter of statistics, which we are going to start, and the name of that chapter is Introduction. Simply Introduction of Statistics. You all have already studied statistics in class 10 in mathematics, but here we are going to study it in the relation of economics. How it work in economics, what is the importance of statistics in economics. Actually, statistics is one of the most important part of economics. It's originally related with economics. In mathematics we have studied it, but it is related to economics. The first thing, before starting that chapter, as I told you yesterday, that you have to make two separate notebooks of economics, one for microeconomics and second one for statistics, or you can make two parts of your notebook and you can use that notebook, one part for microeconomics and second for statistics. So let's start with the chapter. The first heading is economics. Economics. What is economics? In microeconomics already we have studied about what is economics. Economics is the study of human behavior in the presence of end and scarce resources. Means what it means? It means that economics में हम पढ़ते हैं ह्यूमन बिहेवियर के बारे में, इंसान का बिहेवियर कैसा होता है, ह्यूमन बिहेवियर कब इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एंड स्केयर रिसोर्सेज, ऐसी सिचुएशन में जब रिसोर्सेज जो उसकी ज़रूरतों को पूरा करने के लिए, ह्यूमन बीइंग की ज़रूरतों को, वांट्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए वी नीड सम रिसोर्सेज, एंड व्हेन दैट रिसोर्सेज आर लिमिटेड, स्केयर, देन एंड एंडेबल, they can end any time. So and at that time what will be the behavior of a human, that we study in economics. So economics is the study of human behavior in the presence of end and scarce resources. Next is economic activities. There is a lot of activities which are done in the economy. Economy means in which we are living and in which we are working to live. For that we are doing some activities, and all that activities are known as economic activities. So what are the types of economic activities? There is 5 types of economic activities: consumption, production, exchange, distribution and investment. These 5 are known as the economic activities. There is a lot of economic activities, but we consider 5 only here. So first is consumption. What is consumption?